Hi friends, good morning. Today it is 19/6/2022 and the time is 10:13. And you all know what is happening in cryptos after 7th June, which we predicted a month back that that was a very important date and it was very crucial to hold that date. And the way in which it is falling, I think there are more pains ahead. But if you see based on Pitchfork, all are at the extreme bottom. All are at the extreme bottom, and the crucial dates are nearing for Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq. And every week I was covering, all these indices, and all that video is already uploaded in my YouTube channel. You can go and watch. And the crypto, the exact top was predicted in the month of January that April 3rd will be the top, of crypto. And from there, you have seen how much of fall it has done. So always remember, time is the key. When the time and price meets, it is explosion. So people are now keep on trying their trend lines to see where the bottom, where the bottom. The bottom will not happen in trend line. The bottom will happen when the time comes. Okay. So now for Dow Jones, I've already mentioned in my PPT, which is the very crucial week for Dow Jones, which we need to watch out for. And I've given this week also 1 month back in my PPT. I will again try to recall it. So now let's go to the graph and let's see where all these guys are heading now. And it is something interesting to see on Pitchfork as well as on Fortune Signals. So let's go to the graph. Okay, before going, okay, so you can go and watch this video, which I made on 18th October 2021, and this is for Nifty. This is for Nifty, and I've clearly given the view on important date. Why I am saying market is going to top out on 18th of October. Okay, this video was put for on 17th night, and 19th October, market topped out. And I clearly explained in this video how market is going to top out on 18th, but it has not happened on 18th, it happened on 19th. So time is very crucial. At that point of time, there is none of the indicator will be showing market is going to top out and all that. Only time can predict that. And I was clearly given the example in this video. So you can go back and check this video, and a clear warning signal was given in this video. And in the later point of the video, not this video, the another video I've clearly mentioned from 18,600, if it is not able to break, and my first target was 15,625, which it achieved last week. So I will cover my weekly forecast of Nifty and Bank Nifty in a separate video. This video is only for Dow Jones, US markets and cryptos. Okay, so you can watch this video. Then I'll close this. Then you can go back and watch this video, which is very sorry. Just a minute. This video. So this video was predicted on 9th January 2022. 9th January 2022. Cryptocurrency important dates. Even though I don't trade in cryptocurrency, I don't even understand what is cryptocurrency. But we can predict the dates very clearly. We can predict the dates very clearly. So in this video, I've clearly mentioned 13th November, 12th March, and 3rd April. Exact top made on 3rd April. So we can predict this with the help of time. And from there, you have seen how much correction has taken place. And this was the first video which I covered. Right. And after that, I started covering, few videos on cryptos, and I started covering cryptos every weekly also. So now let's go to the chart and see where all these indices are struggling, and watch this important video. You will understand how time is very crucial. Okay, so now let's go to the chart. And you all know that I don't normally put a lot of you know, technical parameters to judge the market. My fortune signals is more than enough for me, but still, I will this time I will try to add pitchfork and Ichimoku also. And every week, this was the last week video where I mentioned the important dates also for cryptos, US market, and Nifty Pharma. So you can go and watch every week we are covering this. So now let's go to the chart. Okay, first go to Dow Jones. So I already said that these two numbers are very crucial, 28,284 and 27,169, which is the monthly fortune signals number. Okay. And if I draw the pitchfork also, it is this median line. You people know how we can draw the pitchfork. And if you see, the pitchfork median line is also coming here. So coming week is very, very crucial. And I will show you from 4th to July week, that is from 4th to July to 8th to July week is very, very crucial for Dow Jones and possibility of taking the support on that week. So we will try, we'll watch out. And anyway, 21st June is very, very important for all these indices. So let's first go for the date, which is 21st, June. And we will definitely watch the weekly candle, which is going to happen on 4th to July to 8th to July. Okay. So now, based on pitchfork, it is nearing the mega monthly pitchfork line. So, and more or less our fortune signals red and blue also is here. Let's watch whether what is going to happen in the coming month. And we have another 10 more days to go. Let's see whether it is going to take the support here or in this line here. Okay. But as of now, again, I have told in many of my videos that this is not the time to buy. And I keep on telling this from November 2021. I've told many times that, you will have a time, you will get a time where, buy one, get three free. So that kind of a scenario is happening, and people are talking about a lot of monopoly stocks which are available at cheap level. And this was they are talking for the last 4 months, and now it is available cheap and cheap and cheap and cheap and cheap. Okay, so now based on fortune signals, so these are the two numbers which you need to watch out for. And if you open Ichimoku, it should not break this line. Let's watch, and possibility of taking a support somewhere in this area, because this is a flat formation. Possibility of taking a support somewhere. Yeah, so it is more or less a C clamp. So let's see whether it is going to take the support from here itself. Otherwise, if it breaks and closes below, this is the monthly candle. This is a monthly candle. So we need to watch for the whole month. Possibility of coming and touching this number is very, very certain, which is 23,925. Let's go to weekly. And this I already covered very clearly below, cloud. And the Ichimoku, sorry, and the lagging span also closed below the cloud, which is actually not a good sign at all. So now only the date has to come and give some kind of support on in all these indices. And if you see, after very, very long time, Dow Jones has given a sell in fortune signals. Okay, and the last sell came, in the March month 2020. Okay, and after that, it is giving a sell signal. And people, those who know how to use these fortune signals, it is very, very clear. Again, I'll explain you. If the sell initiation has come, if the next week candle, kindly listen to this, if the next week candle doesn't close below this candle, you can expect a U-turn reversal. U-turn means U-turn, because this is a big time frame. So it should not close below this week low tomorrow. If it happens, then it will become genuine sell in Dow Jones, and whatever target which I've started before, most probably all that will be achieved. So Dow Jones is at the critical stage where it has given a sell in fortune signals after very long time. So watch out for this. So possibility it should take a bottom here in these two numbers and it has to close above this weekly low, this weekly low. Okay. So now the important date which I am seeing is 5th July, but 4th July to 7th July week was very, very crucial for Dow Jones, which I've already mentioned in my PPT. And it is exactly at the Shakti, there's a pink color line. It is exactly at the Shakti. So we need to watch out for what's going to happen there. And that is where it is taking a support. So we need to watch out for this day candle, more or less an indecisive candle, we can call it off. So let's see how Dow Jones is going to do the working coming week. So these are the two numbers which I'm crucially watching out because the pitchfork median line is also coming there. So this week it's going to be a big week for all the indices across the globe because make or break it's going to happen in the coming week, right? And let's go to S&P. S&P also nearing the pink color line and exactly it has broken the monthly level. It has broken the monthly level. But we have one more month to go. So we have another 10 days to go. Let's see whether it is able to sustain above this 3714, because if you go to fortune signals, on monthly, so it has already broken my red color line. So, but we have another 10 days to go. So we need to see whether it is again going back and closing above 3714. If that happens, okay, yes, more or less the support is taken. But again, I'm saying this is not the time to buy. We need some kind of a confirmation based on time or based on price action, based on so many things. Only then we can go long. Till that time, it may be a support which is taking as of now in case if that happens. So now let's come to monthly level. S&P, this was the monthly level 3576, which you need to watch out for in the coming week. 1 second. This is actually for 3-month period. So you can watch this also. Let's see whether it is taking support. But whatever number we are giving here, that is all immaterial. The time has to come to take the support from these levels. The time has to come. Okay, so let's watch for these two because it is already broken 3714. Let's see whether it is going to take support at 3582 and 3422. So this is S&P, and if you take the Ichimoku cloud, still on a monthly side, it is bullish. And it is closed at the baseline. So break below, again problem. Let's watch, and it has given a buy signal here at 1800. Until now, it is holding. So now let's see whether on a 3-month period it is going to hold. On monthly, it has already broken my system. We have another 15 days to go. I will try to cover this thing. Otherwise, the possibility of coming and touching this bottom is very, very clear, which is 2800 level, which is the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so this is actually S&P, and S&P dates also is 21st of June. Let's go to Nasdaq. Again, on a monthly period, it has broken the level, and I've given this monthly level much before based on fortune signals. This level will be touched, and it has broken that also. And now we need to again see how long it is going, what's going to happen before the month end, whether it is going to climb back and close above 12,318. If not, again the problem will start. And I have clearly telling everyone to avoid all the IT stocks from the beginning, and I've made a video for IT stocks also separately that you need to exit all the IT stocks, and I've given that instruction much before 18th of October. In my video, that video is also available in YouTube. You can go and check. So based on pitchfork, exactly it is sitting at the bottom end of the pitch fork line, which is this blue color line, If it breaks and closes below, then all these targets will be made. So it can even come down to 9654 level, 9654 level, 9600 or 9900 level. So what we need to see on a monthly candle, it should not close below. It should not close below this pitchfork blue color line. This is the bottom support of Nasdaq. So it is at the crucial stage. We need to watch how it is going to do in the coming week. And in weekly, I've already said it is clearly in a sell signal. I mean, when it gave a sell signal here, it bounced back with the help of uh, Ishimoku, went up and got rejected and started coming down. On all these dates, we predicted much earlier, much earlier. You can go back and watch my videos in Nasdaq and all that. And let's go to VTH. Nothing to talk about this guy, but still, when I clearly made this video, I've said that 3rd April it will top out. See how beautifully it topped out in 3rd April. Even though I don't know anything about crypto, but still we can find these dates. And this date was predicted in the month of January. And how it took the bottom also, we predicted the date. We predicted this date much earlier. We predicted this date much earlier. From see how much rally it gave. And after 3rd April, from 3467, today it is less than 1,000. And last week I've given one more important date, which was 7th, which was 14th, June. And the 7th June was very, very crucial because it's a blue color date. See how the fall has come from 7th June. And now it is below the 14th June, which I covered last week also. So again, it is falling and closing below. So unless and until it doesn't claim above 1267, you will see more and more selling. Okay. So now the time has to come for the bottom. So I will definitely let you know in my future course. I have not found the date now. I need to sit with this guy. So once I'm able to find the date, I will definitely post it in my video. And let's go to BTC. Same 3rd April was the crucial date for BTC also. And just a minute. Yeah, 3rd April was the date, and from there you are seeing a correction. So now again for this guy, this guy has to close about 23309 and or only about 23309 it's a buy, otherwise there is no buy in BTC. Okay, so watch out because of this. More and more pain will come because people minds are literally shattered, and the way in which it is falling, I don't know how many people are going to lose much more money in this. Already they lost heavily. So let's watch. And if you go to even 3 months, it has broken the fortune signals thing also. And if I go to Ishimoku, you cannot because you don't have the dates of quarterly thing. And in fortune signals, it is already broken and it has given a sell also on a quarterly basis. So things are looking really ugly for these two now, ETH and USD. So kindly avoid as of now. When the date comes, I will definitely come and give where to buy these guys. Okay. So now let's go to the PPT. So more or less, if you see, I will show you Nifty. Why this week is very crucial based on parallel channel, based on pitchfork, Ishimoku, and today we have a webinar at 12:30 to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty in a detailed webinar where I'll be concentrating more on pitchfork and see where it is at the bottom. So now on a weekly side, a simple thing, no need to draw no many trend lines. A simple thing, fortune signals has given a sell. Fortune signal has given a sell on weekly. So the same example, if it sustains above the coming week, if it sustains above this week low, possibility of U-turn, at least 1,500 points. Let's see how the June expiry is going to come. And last time it gave a sell here in the month of March. Okay, so three candles came down, and after that, once it gave a buy on 11,919. And these, I normally use it for mutual fund entries also on a monthly candle, and we exit based on a timing. So if you see here, it gave a buy at 6,791. Until now, there is no sell on monthly. This is actually for very long investors, those who want to sit quiet, let it be in mutual funds or stocks. So this is a fortune signal which will help us to stay in the trend. Even in the March fall, it has not given a sell. It has not given a sell. See, we exited in November, entered at March, again we exited here. Now, today, on Monday, we are shifting 20% from balance advantage funds to aggressive funds in Nifty. But it is at the crucial stage and it has given us sell. So I'll try to cover very detail about Nifty and Bank Nifty in the coming video, or you can join my webinar today. The webinar will be for 1.5 hours, but my the video will not be more than 20 minutes. So you can join the webinar to know more about the pitchfork and where Nifty is standing based on so many parameters. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See you soon in the next video. If possible, try to attend the webinar. If you are interested, I've given my number. I'll give my number in the description video. So you can simply WhatsApp me. I will send you the link. Thanks a lot. See you soon in the next video. Bye.